Chapter 10, Internet and its Uses. After this lesson, you will be able to learn about the Internet, know about the history of Internet, start the Internet, know various uses of Internet, learn some important Internet terms, use different search engines and web browsers such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, etc. Introduction. You must all be well aware of the term Internet. In simple terms, we may state that Internet stands for Interconnected Network or International Network of Computers. Internet connects people. It enables the sharing of data communication services such as emails, chatting, sending and receiving a file, etc. It has made our life easier and communication much faster. It has become the most common medium of connection for millions of users. The Internet was initially used by military and academic institutions, but now it is used by anyone and everyone. History of Internet. Internet was known earlier as ARPANET, Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. The Department of Defense, popularly known as DoD, implemented it. It was then used to connect different universities of USA. It helped a lot in sharing information on research and development in scientific and military fields, which proved to be the biggest success of that time. Gradually, it was made available to the people, but with a new name, Internet. Governing bodies of Internet. The Internet is widespread and interconnects a number of computers with different types of network across the globe. Thus, we can't name a particular body which actually owns it. But there are 3 volunteer groups that were formed to help coordinate and guide the technicalities of the Internet. These are Internet Research Task Force, IRTF, Internet Engineering Task Force, IETF, Internet Activities Board, IAB. How to start the Internet? You must first open any of the web browsers such as Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, etc. in order to view a website. After opening the browser, you have to enter the URL, Uniform Resource Locator, of the website to be seen. Use the following steps to view a website. Click on Start, Google Chrome. In the address bar, enter the website address or their URL. For example, www.google.com. Do you know the extension of the web address or domain name gives you information about the type of the site? For example, .com stands for commercial, .edu for educational, and .org for an organization website. Google Chrome. Google Chrome is a web browser developed by Google. It was released for Microsoft Windows on September 2nd, 2008. It has been the most widely used web browser since then. Google Chrome opens just like any other software window. The various components of the window opened using Google Chrome are title bar, toolbar, address bar, status bar. Some of the other tools present on the toolbar are backward and forward tool. While browsing through multiple pages, if you wish to move to the previous pages, use the backward tool given on the toolbar, back. Similarly, if you wish to browse to a newer click on the Forward tool. Refresh tool. This tool is just like getting some energy drink after you get tired. When you will click on this tool, it will reload the same page you were working on earlier. Home tool. This tool can be easily identified on the toolbar. When you will click on it, you will automatically reach the home page. Do it yourself. www.google.com works as a search engine, a website that will provide you with all the information you require. Find other websites which work as search engines. Uses of the Internet. Let us discuss each one of them in detail. Email. In earlier days, people used to send handwritten letters to each other. It took days to reach the other person. But with the advancement of technology, you can send messages and letters in a matter of seconds through email. Email is also known as electronic mail, which helps you send and receive instant electronic messages, which works like writing letters. It is now an essential communication tool in business and also an excellent way of keeping in touch with family and friends. It is even faster than telephonic conversation and does not cost any charge per use. Communities. Community is the most common place on the Internet to meet up with the people having similar interests and discuss common issues. You can also find various social networking sites such as Facebook, Twitter, MySpace, etc., where you can interact with your family and friends living in other parts of the world. Gathering information. The Internet is the virtual treasure box of information. Various search engines on the Internet can help you find data on any subject you need. The most commonly used is www.google.com. There is a huge amount of information available on the Internet on just about every subject. It may range from government laws and services, trade fairs and conferences, market information, new ideas, and technical support. Do it yourself. Go to www.google.com and gather information on saving the environment. Services. Internet does not confine itself to chatting or emailing. Nowadays, there are many services provided on it, such as online banking, job seeking, applications, and hotel reservations. Many schools these days update all the information and even provide help with homework or assignments or projects, etc., on their websites to keep parents and students abreast. All this can be done in one go. It saves time and is easily accessible to all. These services are available only when you are connected to the Internet, not otherwise. Buy or sell products. Internet now gives you the freedom to buy the things you need while sitting at home. This is called online shopping. You can buy or sell products all over the world through Internet. One such website has been shown in the picture where you can browse and see the products and buy them using your credit card. You can buy anything from clothes, accessories, furniture, and much more. But you have to be very cautious while making any deal on the Internet and use your credit card judiciously. Chatting. You can send messages to each other using your cell phone. Similarly, chatting is a form of virtual messaging that uses the Internet. There are many chat rooms on the web. These can be accessed to keep in touch with your relatives, make new friends, and stay in touch with the old ones. This is also a very useful platform to spread awareness, share ideas, and exchange opinions pertaining to any specific cause. You can access all of this only with an email address. Downloading data. Getting data from the host computer server to the client computer user's computer is known as downloading. You can download innumerable games, music, videos, movies, and a lot of other entertainment software from the internet. Some of the items are free while some are priced. Uploading data. Copying the data from your computer to the server is known as uploading. You can upload your pictures, songs, videos, etc. and share it with your family and friends. The data you upload can be viewed by anyone on the internet if you don't keep it private. It can be misused by anyone easily, so it is always advisable to keep your information private instead of public. Do you know a host computer server is one where the data or information related to the internet is stored, whereas the client computer, user's computer, is the one that you use. Computer time. Explore the wonderful animal kingdom with the help of the internet. Download interesting information on and pictures of the animals shown here: bear, kangaroo, walrus. Some important terms pertaining to the internet. Home page. The home page is the first page of a website that automatically loads when a web browser starts or when the browser's home button is pressed. You can select a home page for your browser by changing the default setting of home page in your browser. Modem. A modem is a device that allows communication with other computers. Its speed is measured in bits per second, bps. There are two types of modems. Internal modem. It is fitted inside a computer. External modem. It is fitted outside the computer. Internal modem, external modem. Protocols. Are you allowed to roam anywhere in the school without seeking permission from your teacher? The answer is no. There is a set of rules which you have to follow while you are in school. In the same way, certain rules have to be followed for communicating data over the networking environment. These set of rules are known as protocols. An example of a protocol used for the computers to communicate through the internet is the Internet Protocol, IP. Search engines. A web search engine is a computer program that searches for information on the World Wide Web, www, or the Internet, for words or a set of words which you have typed in the browser. The information you may receive consists of web pages, images, data, and other types of files. URL. In order to visit someone's home, we should know their address. In the same way, URL is the web address used for visiting any website. It stands for Uniform Resource Locator. The URL specifies the internet address of a file stored on a host computer or server connected to the internet. The web browser uses the URL to retrieve the file from the server. Web browser. A web browser is a graphical user interface, GUI, like Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, and Opera. It can also be text-based, like links, that allows the user to open websites. Do you know? Graphical user interface, GUI, is picture-based system which is easy to use. Web page. A web page is a page of information on the Internet about a particular subject that forms a website or a part of a website. It can be accessed through a web browser and displayed on a computer screen. Website. A website is a collection of related web pages, images, videos, or even sounds that have a common web address. A website gives you information about a particular subject. Fact files. A website is hosted on at least one web server accessible via the Internet. For example, yahoo.com, discovery.com, dictionary.com, etc. Do it yourself. Domain names are country-specific. For example, Indian websites have a secondary extension of .in. Try to find out some good educational websites of USA, Canada, and London. Internet viruses. Any program or piece of code that is loaded onto your computer without your knowledge is a computer virus. They can replicate in numbers and multiply very quickly. All computer viruses are man-made and easy to produce. Even a simple virus can copy itself over and over again. It is very dangerous for the computer since it uses all the available memory and brings the system to a halt. An internet virus is transmitted to different people through the internet in the form of emails or links. The purpose is to harm the computer system. You should be cautious while accessing any website or opening any link. Sometimes the computer gives a self-generated warning like, "The file you are opening is harmful for your computer." Take such warnings seriously and avoid using such links again. There is a cure for almost every disease you catch, and so is the case for computer viruses, which can harm your computer. Many antivirus programs are easily available, such as Avast antivirus, and Microsoft has developed its own antivirus program with the name of Microsoft Security Essentials. These are used to protect the main memory of a computer program against infection by a virus. Antivirus programs can be installed for a trial period of 1 month free of cost, and you can also buy them for better functioning of your computer. They periodically check your computer system for the most common types of viruses. Keeping your antivirus updated is one of the best ways to protect your computer system against viruses. Do it yourself. Make a list of 5 viruses and antiviruses with a brief description of them.